What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you the incredible squash that makes zucchini obsolete. Growing zucchini can be very challenging for many gardeners with high insect pest pressure, especially if you have issues with squash bugs and vine borers. Here where I live on the southeastern coast of North Carolina, every zucchini plant that I will ever plant has a death sentence, and they will be killed at some point by either one of these bugs. So the only way I've been able to grow zucchini where I live, because of this intense pest pressure, is to plant new seeds about every 4 to 6 weeks, so I always have some zucchini growing in my garden. And unfortunately, it's the middle of August and I just ripped out my third wave of zucchini. There were 2 zucchini plants growing right here, but the vine borers got them, so I ripped them out and I put in these pepper seedlings instead. That is why I have started growing less zucchini and more Zucchino Rampicante or Tromboncino Squash in my yard and garden. Zucchino Rampicante is more like an indeterminate squash vine, and it produces a squash that can be harvested both young like a summer squash, or you can let it mature and it will store for up to a year like a winter squash. When this squash is very young, it is green and you can pick them small and eat them young and tender just like a zucchini, or you can let them harden up, and when you let them get hard like this, they will be almost exactly like a butternut squash. And all you have to do is pick them and store them in a cool, dry basement or a garage, or you can just put them in your kitchen like I do, and they can store for up to an entire year in this form. No jokes, people. Okay, put your best jokes down in the comments. Zucchino Rampicante is highly vine borer resistant, and it can grow way longer than a zucchini plant can survive. I used to have 2 huge vines trellising on this cattle panel trellis right here, but because my growing season is so hot and wet, they did eventually die from some disease, so they're not completely indestructible. But my second wave is doing absolutely phenomenal. This is one Zucchino Rampicante plant right here, and it is completely free of any disease, any pest damage. It is absolutely glorious. You can see the leaves are completely virgin. Nothing has bothered it, and this is easily going to produce all the way until frost for me. So most northern growers will probably only need to plant Zucchino Rampicante one time in mid-spring, and it will grow indeterminately and produce all the way until frost. Southern growers that have much longer growing seasons and more heat and bug and disease pressure may need 2 waves, so southern growers may need to plant one in early spring and one in early summer, but it's way easier to sow 2 waves of Zucchino Rampicante than 4 or 5 waves of zucchini plants. So I can't tell a lie. I'm generally not the biggest fan of squash plants in general, but this Zucchino Rampicante is truly a joy to grow, and it's the best of both worlds. It's the best of zucchini and butternut squash. So it's both a summer and winter squash all in one. So if you're looking for an amazing disease-resistant, pest-resistant squash plant, definitely give this a try. I'll place links down in the video description to seeds for your convenience. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.